In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop Gmail from trimming content in messages. If you've ever opened an email and seen message clipped with a prompt to view the entire message, that's Gmail signaling your email has grown too large. Gmail starts clipping at around 102 kilobytes. And that limit includes everything in the body: text, HTML, CSS, and inline images. So our goal is to keep the total message size, including code, under 102 kilobytes without losing clarity or design. A big culprit is hidden code. When you copy content from tools like document editors, website builders, or design apps and paste it directly into your email, you often bring over invisible HTML and styling that bloats the message. To prevent that, avoid directly pasting text from external sources. Instead, paste into a plain text editor first, or use paste as plain text in your email editor. Then reapply only the essential formatting you actually need. This simple habit can shave off a surprising amount of weight. Next, reduce heavy HTML and CSS. Keep layouts clean and minimal. Limit the number of images, avoid complicated templates with lots of nested elements, and drop unnecessary styles. If you need extra space between sections, use padding in your layout rather than inserting numerous line breaks. Those repeated breaks add markup, and all that markup counts toward the size limit. Simple structure, concise styles, and fewer decorative flourishes usually deliver better inbox performance and fewer clipping issues. Gmail also trims aggressively in long conversations. To avoid threading pitfalls, don't reuse the same subject line for multiple different emails. When a message belongs to a brand new announcement or campaign, give it a fresh subject so Gmail doesn't lump it into an existing thread and compound the size. If your content is truly long, don't try to cram everything into the email. Use read more links. Send a tight summary or highlights in the message. Then point readers to a web page or blog post for the full details. This keeps the email fast, scannable, and safely under the limit while still delivering the complete story to anyone who wants it. As you finalize, keep an eye on size. Many editors show an approximate message weight, and a quick test to your own Gmail inbox can confirm whether clipping appears. If you see it, trim images, simplify formatting, or move extended sections behind a link. That's it. Control size, remove hidden code, simplify formatting, avoid unintended threading, and lean on read more when needed. Thanks for watching.